Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you see your Spotify Wrapped for the 2023, basically the end of this year, then you came to the right place. Today in this video I'll show you two different methods on how can you do that exactly and successfully. So if that sounds interesting, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First step is actually opening your store, whether it is Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Open it and simply search for Spotify in the top right here. And once you find it, go ahead and tap on it to open it, and you find this event right here, the Wrapped event. Go ahead and update your app to have it. So basically you need to update the app first to have that in your app, and of course at least have one of the newer versions. Once you do that, you quit from here and then you go ahead and open Spotify finally. So tap on Spotify and you should find the Wrapped option or event right here. You can check it out and share it on other social media apps just like that. Now if you for some reason cannot find it here, you need to quit from Spotify completely and then go ahead and open your browser. From your browser in the top you need to enter this link right here. So you go ahead and type in spotify.com and then /wrapped. That is spotify.com/wrapped, guys, just like that. Go ahead and type in that link and then type on enter to open it. You'll be asked to log in. If you didn't or weren't asked to log in, you'll be taken to this page right here. And this is the Wrapped page. You can check it out. It's basically on stories format or something like that. You just tap on the right side of the screen to get the next step right here. And towards the last step, you can go ahead and share it. And you can reveal some information about your listening experience on Spotify right here. And that is how can you see and check out your Wrapped on Spotify, of course. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching. See you